How to use Stynar AI for sales outreach. First, open your web browser and go to the official Stynar website. Click Start Free and create your account. Stynar currently offers a 14-day free trial. Once you're inside, connect your Gmail or Outlook mailbox so Stynar can send emails from your own account. Next, import your leads using a CSV file and make sure the contact information is mapped correctly. Now, create a new campaign and define your ideal customer profile, campaign goal, and email sequence. Stynar AI will research each prospect and generate personalized outreach emails based on their company, website, and recent information. Review the sequence, adjust the messaging if needed, and launch your campaign. That's how you can use Stynar AI for sales outreach and automate research, personalized emails, follow-ups, and meeting booking. If this video helped you, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials.